Welcome to Htoo Stories Land. The brave little golden cat. Long ago. Very unique and cute. There is a kitten. His name is Golden Yellow. The golden yellow cat is different from other cats. He is very brave. Golden Yellow is a cat who is not afraid of anyone. The golden yellow one is in a beautiful garden. There are other animals in his garden. There are many. One day, the golden yellow lived in the garden. A man named Jitty arrived, a bad guy. Jitty is an extremely evil man who wields an axe and is always hunting and killing small animals. Ha ha ha, all the animals in this park are for me. Jitty always shouted like that and always chased the animals in the park. When the children saw the squirrel, they ran up the tree. The baby rabbits hid in the bushes. The birds also flew away. All the little animals, even though he's scared. Do you know what the golden yellow is doing? The golden yellow is the villain sat at the feet of Jitterbug. His eyes wide open and made a sound. Are you a kitten? Aren't you afraid of me? The golden yellow cat, who is not afraid of anyone, raised its head and shouted, "I'm interested in what Jitty will do." As Jitty raised his big stick to catch an animal, in the garden, the golden yellow-eyed one looked at his friends who were hiding. The golden yellow knew something had to be done. The golden yellow ran over Jitty's leg and scratched Jitty's leg with its paw. Ha 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 ha, it's annoying. When Jitty scratched the golden yellow, it itched and jumped. When he jumped, his hand, the big stick, I was blown away and fell into a puddle of mud. The golden yellow took that opportunity and scratched Jitty's leg. He made strange gestures towards Jitty. Jitty felt like laughing at the cat's behavior and felt angry and didn't know what to do. Jitty stared at the golden yellow for a long time. The golden yellow didn't run away because it was afraid of him, but instead acted as if it was calling him to play. Jitty understood. At that time, the face of the evil Jitty, it gradually became softer. Hey, this cat is very brave. He is not afraid of me. Do you want to be friends with me? Suddenly, Jitty is, instead of picking up a large stick that fell into the mud, gently stroked the golden yellow's head and rubbed it. The golden yellow one also called out to the Jitty with a voice as sweet as a bell. It was then that Jitty understood. No need to kill animals. They can play with us. They can be friends with us. They can be loved. He knew. From that moment on, Htoo, he gave up the big stick that used to hit his animals. Later, Htoo took on the role of guard at the park and became a pet sitter. Actually, children, no one is afraid. The cat's death is not an attack. That's kindness and love. The golden yellow was afraid of the Htoo and did not run away. His cute little gestures and bad thoughts in Htoo's mind just removed it. That's why, like the little yellow-eyed cat, we must not be afraid of anything, but use our love and kindness to save the lives of all animals. Little babies. If you like the story I'm telling you today, please like and subscribe. Htoo Stories Land channel. In other stories, let's meet again with Htoo. Now, children, that's all. Bye-bye.